Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about Arweave targets updates with my customer Chris. What's going on now with this token? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I wanna show you, and the link will be on the description below for this token. So the main bull run plan for this token I share with you October 2023. So basically, almost 2 years, like all in details, plan shared, and it's playing out. Pretty good one and still in play. So I highly recommend you just go and check in educational purpose this video. All levels, guys, absolutely still the same. I just adjusted a few cents with a magnet. So take a look. It was 365.27 level. Now it's 359 because I adjusted this support level with a magnet. Just a few cents, right? The difference. So the plan was here monthly favorable gap, hit 22, 23. I waited here reaction, small pullback down at 18 low by FIB. So yes, it happened, and here we drop it a little bit lower and go higher, and not stop at $22.19. After that, we hit the high, grab this liquidity pool, right? Drop, retest 22.19, bounce, reject at 38. So guys, I highly recommend you guys just go and check in educational purpose, will be useful for you. So that time, guys, it was not a mistake to fix a profit after 1,200% gains. So definitely, guys, I waited that time a little bit higher, right, after this sweep, because it was a logical sweep. And once again, if you watch all my previous videos, and when I tell you something about the order flow on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, something like this one, you know, you can go and rewatch that videos and understand that almost all tokens will follow this model, this moves, because it's just a K level, this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool. It's just a matter of time when we will grab all of that liquidity. So I use the weekly time frame, you know, for investment, and here we stop it here at 48.51. So it was a logical time to fix some profit, or at least withdraw initial deposit. Here we landed again. Let's extend FIB right. We landed again into accumulation block. Can we drop, guys, lower? Of course we can. This is not all this chart, because I will show you by end of this video the global one chart, historical one. So this is since May 2021 on a Binance. Lowest point was not here, much lower. So lowest point now it's $3.68. This one, but we still inside accumulation block. So this one, it's okay, comfortable zone, accumulate this asset if you believe in Arweave. Targets, guys, absolutely still the same. 56.64. Next one, 76.34, 81.44. If you believe in new all-time high, it's 133.65. It's hard to say, will we hit the new all-time high or not? Because nobody knows the future, guys. But now it's okay. Zone between 979, 358. Accumulate this token if you believe in this one. I want to show you on this chart just ADZ, and I come back to the global chart. So one more time, guys, I recommend you to go and watch the first video what I posted almost 2 years ago in education purpose to understand the logic. So it's not always about just you know, just the charts, just the candles. No, it's about a logic and why all these levels are works. So you will understand it. So here at that time, I share with you, it was a great time to buy with the biggest the warranty. So lowest point here, 717. It was June 2022. After that, imagine September 2023, 391. Now without it was a divergency, but I wish to see, of course, one more drop, even under, like, I don't know, 341. Hard to imagine why we have to drop 50% now, but we've been here in accumulation March 2025, 626. So this is not a crazy distribution zone. We are more in accumulation zone, not a distribution. Time to distribute was here. ADZ I showed you on this one because on global charts it won't show you the data. So this is a global chart. So basically the FIB absolutely still the same, you know, but this chart without a FIBs. Can it looks like a double bottom? One bounce, and we should go higher. Maybe, I'm not sure. This is definitely not a cup and handle and all of this stuff. No. So take a look. This is we grab liquidity, drop, and now liquidity here. Should we drop under this liquidity pool? It's hard to say. Maybe not now, maybe later. Yes, of course we can drop later. It's not necessary, so we should dump now. If we will, it's going to be yes minus 50%, 53%. Under, guys, is here, this monthly gap. So if we count, that's why it's really important to analyze the global chart. Technically, it's not necessary to drop to close the monthly gap because we're ready. Take a look how the algorithm works. We're ready to retest till penny here. The gap we formed between December 2020 and February 2021. And in October 2023, we come back and test till penny 0.5 level by FIB of this gap. This is just a basic algorithm. Should we drop lower? Technically, yes, it's possible. We can drop to 351, to 61 level FIB. Yeah, it will be exactly a sweep of this liquidity pool, 53% down from this current prices. I wish to not see this drop. Of course, we can't drop forever down, we can move forever up, right? But we work just with possibilities. Bullish targets, guys, believe it or not, but here, this one, 28, sooner or later we will see the 28.93 because it's a liquidity pool, and I believe we will go higher over than $50. Take a look now with indicators. ADZ already showed the direction here. Just how it played out in history. Last time when we traded in the capitulation zone, it was June 2023, October 2023. Wells accumulated by direction indicator. This is a capitulation, gray color pump, 1,200% gains. In capitulation, we trade since January 2025 from $14. So I wish to see one more dump and V-shape recover. So now it's okay time to accumulate using DCA. So for example, you can buy 743 up to your own risk, right? And we dump to, let's say, $3. Your average will be like 550. So let's say 550. At $11, you should withdraw initial deposit, fix the profit, and ride with the free tokens. Pretty simple strategy, guys. Money power here, yes, Wells accumulate. Wells start accumulate at $8.46. Now no money inflow. I highly recommend you use this set and track how it played out in history. Trade on, guys. I don't see any signal to take profit. So let's add alert to take profits. Take profit from Arweave from this sell. Last time we didn't see the sell from sell take profit notification. Maybe this time we will. Global monthly only sell. Buyback confirmation was at $7. At 48.9 you could fix. A local one, it's just for intraday. Take profit, guys. We trade under fundamental value. Under, guys. So all this period, I don't think so we're gonna trade one more year under fundamental value, right? It's gonna be just a face palm. I guess we will recover faster this one. So fundamental value of the stock now on a weekly, now it's $8.78. Buy line 11.84. Take profit 23.53. Exit line 26.45 on the weekly. Daily, I wish to see that drop to fundamental value of 5.65 again, or at least to grab this small tiny pool 6.49. Take profit on the daily 14.95. Exit 16.91. Over than this stop losses. So guys, it's just a matter of time when we will come back and close 50% of this downfall, because we're a long-term period in a downtrend over than 1 year. So just in case. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Highly recommend it once again. Go and check the first bull run plan video for Arweave, and you will understand the logic. Plus, I recommend you find the pinned message in the Telegram channel. There are over than, I guess, 300 or 400 different tokens with the same bull run plan. Now a lot of tokens in the good condition to accumulate, and plans still relevant if the tokens still exist on centralized exchanges, not the list. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I would show it in this video, just write me a DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.